So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to prepare and reconcile BAS payment in Xero. Firstly, go to your Xero dashboard and click on Reconcile items from your bank account. Ensure every transaction for the BAS period is matched. Now navigate to the Account Transaction tab within the bank account and look for any items set in as unreconciled. Investigate these. They might be accidental manual duplicates or miscoded entries. Now click Manage Account and select Reconciliation Report. Choose the Bank Statement tab and set your date range to the month or quarter you are auditing. Compare the opening and closing balances directly to your physical bank statement. Now ensure every transaction says yes under the reconciled column. Just a pro tip, click Publish to save a snapshot of this perfectly balanced report in Xero for future reference. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video. So what's up everyone?